If you want learners to actually do something with what you teach them, then you have to design for action. Let me show you how I use AI to do just that using 3 prompts, one that's basic, one that's better, and one that's meta. Today we're designing an activity together, and I'll show you how the output changes each time. So let's get in it. First up, this is a basic prompt. Design an activity that reinforces time management. It's broad, but let's see what it gives us. As you can see from the output, we have a basic group discussion, and that's about it. There's no structure, no audience, no delivery method. It's essentially a suggestion. It might spark an idea, but it's not something that you can drop into a session tomorrow. You still have to do 80% of the work. AI can be doing much more for you. Let's try a better prompt. I've included that I want the activity to reinforce time blocking. I've given details about my audience and included specific deliverables in terms of how I want the output returned to me. Let's run this prompt and check the output. This output is so much better. You've got something to really work with now. I have clear group instructions, a built-in debrief, and facilitator notes. This prompt produced a ready-to-run learning activity. You could literally copy and paste it into a session plan. It's clear, it's usable, and it's grounded in adult learning principles. But we're not done yet. Let's ask AI to rewrite that prompt itself to make it better. We'll use a meta prompt. As you can see, we're asking AI to generate a prompt that maximizes instructional clarity and output quality. Let's go ahead and see what that returns. Congratulations, you've just trained AI to be your instructional design assistant. The real win here is not just the improved activity, it's the fact that you now have a stronger, reusable prompt that generates higher quality activities every time you use it. So put this in your prompt bank. And let's see what it returns for us. You now have a structured activity that is delivery ready and built for real world use. It includes clear learner steps, facilitator prep, virtual and in-person setup, and reflective questions that drive transfer. It saves you design time while increasing clarity, consistency, and impact. This activity didn't just get better, the prompt got smarter. You're not just getting great output, you're building systems for better outputs every time. This is what I mean when I say AI can be your co-designer and not just a shortcut. So save these prompts, embed them into your workflow, and find your next level up right here in the JenInAI Studio.